Oh, welcome back. January 1st, 2024, 15M coming at about 12:20 p.m. There he is, hitting the horn for Swanville. This is the first run I got Steve of 2024. So let's watch him go by. It's cold out today. Not super breezy, but a little chilly out. So we'll see what we see. He's coming around Swanville curve here. Move down a little bit. There go the gates. All right, first train of the year. It's a good luck. Get your son on a train on January 1st of the year. I don't know. Let's hope so. Let's hope we all have a good 2024.